Hi, engineers. You're a QA or SDET. You fire up YouTube for help, and bam, suddenly, you're drowning in a sea of 10 different IDEs screaming for your attention. Which one do you pick first? Today, I'm cutting through the noise. We'll zero in on the perfect beginner-friendly IDE for your exact stack, layer on the right AI Copilot to supercharge your workflow, and arm you with a quick 5-minute test to confirm it's the right fit. By the end of this video, you'll have your setup locked in and ready to crush those coding interviews. Let's dive in and make your life simple. Your ideal first IDE has to deliver on 5 essentials. It launches quickly, auto-completes intelligently, lets you run and debug tests with a single click, displays Git changes clearly, and behaves consistently across your team's environments. The winning strategy is simple. Choose based on your stack first, then add AI muscle. If you're working with JavaScript or TypeScript, such as Playwright or Cypress, choose VS Code. It's free, lightweight, loaded with extensions, and offers outstanding TypeScript support right away. For AI assistance, add GitHub Copilot or Codeium. Get started with these key extensions: Playwright-Test or Cypress, ESLint, Prettier, GitLens, and REST Client. Your JavaScript automation environment is now ready to roll. For Java, including Selenium, JUnit or TestNG, and rest assured, go with IntelliJ IDEA. It dominates Java refactoring, provides reliable debuggers, and manages Maven or Gradle effortlessly. Combine it with Copilot or JetBrains AI Assistant. Essential plugins include built-in test runners, HTTP client, SonarLint, and Lombok. Python users working with pytest, requests, or Playwright for Python should pick PyCharm. It handles virtual environments smoothly, auto-discovers pytest tests, and features an excellent debugger. Add Copilot or Codeium, plus the built-in pytest support, HTTP client, black formatter, and rough linter. If you're in the C# or .NET space with Playwright or Selenium, Visual Studio is the clear leader. It offers deep .NET integration, a powerful test explorer, and seamless NuGet package management. Add Copilot, then include Playwright or Selenium NuGets, editor config, and code analyzers. When your stack is mixed, and you prefer one editor for everything, stick with VS Code plus language packs and Copilot or Codeium. It delivers the least friction across JavaScript, Python, some Java, and YAML or JSON tasks. Now let's cover AI copilots. The best one generates boilerplate code, suggests edge cases, refactors reliably, and respects your privacy. Here's the quick ranking. GitHub Copilot excels at general code completion and works beautifully in VS Code and JetBrains environments. JetBrains AI Assistant integrates tightly inside IntelliJ, PyCharm, or WebStorm. Codeium is extremely fast, offers a strong free tier, and prioritizes privacy. Cursor, an AI-first versus code fork, is ideal if you want conversational coding and inline edits. Tab9 performs well in local or hybrid modes when code privacy is a priority. Always prioritize safety. Never input secrets. Turn on public code blocking when available, and review every diff before committing. AI is here to speed you up, not replace your judgment. Before locking in any setup, run this quick 5-minute fit test in your repo. First, run tests. Confirm you can execute all tests, then a single file, then one individual test. Second, debug once. Set a breakpoint, step through code, and inspect variables without hassle. Third, let AI write a test. Prompt: create a negative login test using a range-act assert. Verify it compiles immediately. Fourth, call an API. Use the built-in HTTP or REST client to check a 200 response and validate JSON structure. Fifth, refactor a small piece. Rename a helper function and ensure imports update automatically. If anything feels awkward or slow, switch to the recommended alternative for your stack. This simple check prevents months of frustration. In interviews, deliver this with confidence. For JavaScript and TypeScript, I use VS Code with Playwright or Cypress extensions. Java gets IntelliJ, Python PyCharm, and .NET Visual Studio. Then add. I incorporate Copilot to accelerate boilerplate and test data creation, but I always review diffs and protect sensitive information. Finish strong. My focus is one-click test execution and debugging, readable test reports, and reliable CI artifacts. Quick starter checklist to set yourself up for success. Enable format on save for consistently clean code. Use one linter per language to avoid conflicts. Create NPM or Gradle scripts such as test, UI, test, API, lint, and format. Commit launch configurations so debugging works team-wide. Write clear, descriptive test names and maintain a straightforward folder structure. Final recommendation summary: JavaScript or TypeScript automation, VS Code plus Copilot. Java-centric environment: IntelliJ IDEA with Copilot or JetBrains AI. Python-focused: PyCharm with Copilot or Codeium. .NET Shop: Visual Studio with Copilot. Mixed stack: VS Code with Copilot or Codeium. Here's the plan. Select the IDE that matches your stack, add the Copilot, pass the 5-minute test, and commit to it for the next 30 days. Master the shortcuts, keep tests passing, let AI handle the repetitive work, and focus your energy on finding real risks and improving coverage. You're now equipped to make the leap from manual to automation with confidence. If this helps your transition, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical QA and SDET content, and now you're 1% smarter. The cheat code is consistency, so keep boosting your brain. Make it your daily routine, and you will nail your next interview. Same rhythm tomorrow at Code Crack Interviews.